On today's adventure, we tackle 2 walks in the Toolangi State Forest, which is located about 15 minutes from Hillsville and about 1.5 hours east of Melbourne CBD. Each walk is only about 45 minutes to an hour in length, and with the trails being easy, although rugged in spots, you shouldn't have any issues pushing a pram through. The Toolangi Sculpture Trail starts out at the Discovery Centre, which was the location that the Department of Sustainability and Environment used to run education programs for school children up until 2012 when it was closed, due to not being compliant with the building requirements for buildings in bushfire-prone areas. These programs still happen, just not inside the building anymore. The Sculpture Trail showcases works from an international sculpture event that was held there in 1996. The sculptures are works of a diverse group of professional artists from the Australia and Asia Pacific regions. 8 of the original sculptures are still visible along the trail, and they're all in a different state of decay, which they state is as intended. Information boards along the trail give you some basic information about the artist and the inspirations behind their work.
I'm really stoked that it's not very busy. Do you think that I could eat these berries?
Maybe.
Like, I know that they're blackberries. But something's like,
Maybe just take them.
just take them
Just take them.
and put them where? I got nowhere to put them. They'll get smushed. I mean, I should probably wash it first, but I'm sure it's fine. Just checking if bugs.
Don't poison yourself.
There's nothing in Australia that looks like a blackberry that's poisonous. It's definitely a blackberry.
How's it taste?
Bit sour.
Although these trails are relatively close to Melbourne, we only saw 2 other people walking them the entire time we were in the area. And we were there on a Saturday, so if you're looking for a quiet trail to hit up, put these at the top of your list. The downside to walking in an area where nobody else is hanging out is that we are getting all of the cobwebs. I'm walking through all the cobwebs.
How are you enjoying it so far?
It's great.
It is great.
It
And
smells really good out here.
I think that we wish that we had smell-o-vision, because the smell of the eucalyptus and just the like dirt
Forest in
and stuff
general.
just smells amazing. It's Joey's turn to walk first and get all of the spider webs in her face.
I see what you did. Move, move, little Betty. Ooh.
There were so many spider webs. Look at them all.
That ant is 1,000,000 times too big.
Wait a minute. I'm at the front again.
Turnabout is fair play.
Just need a little stick to at least like get rid of the web.
Gonna get in it?
I don't think I will,
Don't think you will?
but you can.
Why do you never want to crawl into crevices?
Because it looks like there will be scary things. As you can see from this sign, there's meant to be a sculpture here, and it could be in there somewhere, but unfortunately it looks a little bit like the sculptures haven't really been maintained at all, so a lot of them are either overgrown and you can't see them anymore, or they've kind of like disintegrated away a little bit because they are all made of natural materials like wood and paper and things. So the ones we've seen have been really cool, but there's a lot that seem to have fallen by the wayside a little bit.
Telangie is an Aboriginal word meaning tall trees or stringy bark. It is believed the area was known as Mount Rose by the European settlers up until the 1890s, and they inhabited the area from about the 1860s and were predominantly in the area for the vast timber resources. On the other side of the main road, the Yea River Walk begins behind the Discovery Centre. The walk passes through the messamate, narrowleaf peppermint and mountain grey gum forest before reaching the mountain ash forest.
Time to stop for a sandwich?
Time to stop for a sandwich.
Excellent.
I'm surprised that you haven't heard my tummy whinging. Sandwich?
It's got a G on it, so you know it's for me.
M means keep your mitts off my sandwich. Can someone from the internet please confirm for Zoom if this is holly or not?
Betty sees holly everywhere we go.
I've literally seen holly like one other time.
Yep, everywhere we go. What you doing there?
Foraging.
Recycling our lunch bags for berries?
Thought I might.
Good plan.
Yeah.
The point of this walk has changed completely to being about picking berries now. She got about 20% happier, I reckon.
Oh, I was happy to start with.
Pretty happy. Happier with berries.
Happier. Life's better with berries.
The Yea River is full of aquatic life, including the platypus and many fish species. The platypus remains number one on our list of wild animals that we'd love to see in the wild, but they're still pretty elusive creatures. The viewing platform provides an excellent vantage point to see the river. The water here flows from the slopes of Mount St Leonard and joins the Goulburn River, and eventually the Murray River just upstream from Echuca. Okay, that's probably about enough of being out here.
The concentration. Oh yes, this tiny tree will save my life if I fall in the water. Sure-footed as a mountain goat. Damn.
What are you doing out there?
I'm going over to get some more fucking blackberries.
More blackberries?
More blackberries. There's some really good ones, but they're hard to get to.
Prickles.
It's a hazardous sport.
The wild Betty stalks her prey, but she is not very quiet as she stumbles through the forage.
I hear you talking about me.
As for other activities nearby, the forest has many other walking trails, four-wheel drive trails, and toilets, picnic tables and barbecue spots at the Wirrawalla car park area.
Every so often I hear a little ooh noise and I turn around to find Betty has found another whole bunch of blackberries. It's very adorable.